Okay, it's at this stage we need to try and resize our project to what we want to make in woodwork. So if you haven't got the sizes ready yet, we can change this. If you haven't done the lid or the base and you've struggled to get the sides together, we're just going to draw the panels. So I'm going to just hide my lid and my base and my top edge. If you're at this stage, that's fine. We can draw that and we'll move on from there. The first thing we're going to do for the resizing process is select the piece that we want to change, come down and we'll select that, so activate the part. If you go to the first extrusion, double click it, it's going to kind of pull it into a different size. We can change this to whatever dimension we want, and it should kind of, it looks like it's blown apart, but it's done the two sides, so it's resized the two sides. Then if we're going to change this one, we've got to match that. So I'm going to click on that one. I'm going to find where it is. It's highlighted, so we'll expand it. We'll find the spot. Look at the component, activate it. Same one, it's the first extrusion in that piece. And we're going to change that down to the same size as what we did for the other piece. So now it will match. And sometimes it kind of does that. So we can activate the whole project again. And that's resized our panels. You can do exactly the same for the side rails as well if you want to make it wider.